Hey, International Court of Justice, fuck you guys. You guys deserve it million times over. So let me check your names. Who are there? Okay. Current members: President Nawab Salam, Lebanon, member of court since 6 February 2018. Okay, forget that. Anyway, you are still there, like, you know. Are you? Okay. Vice President Julia Sebutinde. Arey, hey, Batinde, Uganda. You're from Uganda, okay. Judge Peter Tomka, Slovakia. Judge Ronnie Abraham, France. Judge Abdul Kawi Ahmad Yusuf, Somalia. Judge Zhu Hanking, China. जज दलवीर भंडारी. अरे विडो, तू तो अपना देश का है. हे पॉपट, तेरा तो बजाएगा अभी. ओके. जज आया सावा यूजी, आई थिंक जापान. जज जॉर्ज नॉल्टे, जर्मनी. जज हिलरी चार्ल्स रोथ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. जज लियोनार्डो नेमर कल्देरा ब्रंट, ब्राजील. जज जुआन मानुएल गोमेज रोब्लेडो. जज सारा क्लीवलैंड. Judge Bogdan Lucian Oresu, Romania. Judge Dyer Tilda, South Africa. Okay, fuckers. Here's the thing why I say you deserve it. Okay. So, I'll talk to you in. I'll walk you through a view of a molecular vision. Okay. I am now. So, you guys know, like, I'll take care of your religions first, okay? The thing is, like, energy can't be destroyed, can't be created, and we all are in now. Now, you guys know this. You've got bloody millions of libraries, and you've got your information, like, data about everything. So now tell me, if energy can't be destroyed or created, and we all are in now. Now, I am now. So are you, but you don't seem to realize that you live in past, in history. Okay. So if we are in now, and the energy doesn't get destroyed or created, then tell me how three gods are there? Almost bloody so many gods are there at one time. Tell me. It doesn't fit well, is it? Oh fuck, you guys, like. Okay, let me see. This universe is an energy field. All the planets are energy bodies, stars are energy bodies, sun is an energy body. So is Earth. Okay. So humans, animals, trees, plants, everything is an energy body. Small units of that energy body that Earth is. We all contribute on it. Yeah, we call ourselves humans because of our pride. I think you know that. And Elon Musk is saying, like, AI is going to destroy mankind. Yeah, it's going to destroy mankind in a way. Like, pride is a small thing. That's why we call ourselves human. I'm a judge. I got a big bloody island in, where I live. If I take that pride out of you, what's left of you? Tell me that. Okay, so this is where I tell you. Earth is an energy body. Okay, the way it exists, you can't put more energy in it to make a bigger Earth. You can't destroy it. You can't destroy it. Okay, so take a look. This is a wheat flour chapati. We call it roti. So the thing is, like, if energy can't be destroyed, it can't be created. It has naturally, it's evenly distributed. So the thing is, like, if somebody, any energy body that takes more than its requirement, it will distort. Okay, so the point is, when you want more than you need, somebody becomes less. Somebody reduces in its energy. Now remember, or do you realize the distribution? Rich people, they want more and more and more and more. That's why we have less. That's the system you've been contributing to. So fuck you again. And your pimps all around NATO, XYZ, and bloody all the beautiful names you give it to NGT, National Green Tribunal. Hey, fuck you, man. I'll tell you something. I'm a native from India. They call us Adivasi. They call us Adivasi, but in the constitution they use variables like ST, for political mileage. Tell me something. My name is Amitabh. Okay, and they, looking at me, they write down my criteria, and according to that criteria, they go and get somebody who's not a bloody tribal, not a native, and they say, hey, this guy is Amitabh. You think that's going to sit well with me? Taking my identity, destroying it. That's how we take our native lands, isn't it? You never, tell me something, any of your governments have ever built a bloody, established a village? No. You make roads, get in there, bloody, take all your corruption there and destroy it, make it a town, Eden, yeah, we've been colonized, we are Christians, I'm going to fuck every Christian now. You knew the truth, but you didn't tell it. There's a thing you should realize, my name is Amitabh Bhage. Okay, they call us Adivasi. The meaning is, Adi means beginning, Vasi means dweller. So I wrote a poem on that without realizing what I'm saying, just because of my identity, it just... That's a pollution. That's what you contribute to. Okay? Air, sound, so many things. Listen to this poem, just few lines. Adivasi हूँ मैं. I'm a tribal, native. आदि से हूँ. I'm from the beginning. आदि से जीवन है. Life is from the beginning. जीवन हूँ मैं. I am life. Okay? And और जीवन का उद्देश्य सिर्फ इतना है कि जीवन को सृजित करना. And the purpose of life is to procreate life, carry on. You guys hold on to your yesterday's history and all that. That's idolatry. That's why the children don't learn. You don't let them grow. You teach them what you know is right. That is your history, religion, XYZ, everything. When you teach children history, they learn your mistakes as well as your wrongs. But life is evolution, assholes. Your mistakes, your rights, your wrongs, everything evolves. Probabilities, I'm a father of a daughter now, just only one child. And that's the reason I'll kill you all. I'll burn you all, without guns, without bombs, without anything, but I'll burn you all. I'll burn your playground, fun house. Okay? You would want to kill me, send your CIA, XYZ, KV, all your bloody everyone. I tried. I've tried killing myself, I don't die. I am life. I just change vessel. This body is a vessel. So, back to my poem. The purpose of life is to just propagate life, not destroy it. There's a way to transfer life, the eternal cycle of life. Your physical energy comes from the life you have inside, the energy of life inside you have. So when you sweat, when you work on the field, your natural body of energy, you interact with nature. You don't get shut down in concrete walls and do that. Your growth won't be there. You won't evolve physically, mentally, spiritually. Okay? So money is something, a dead thing, a trapped energy. You can't buy life out of it. You can't even fucking create, Ask us, I'll tell you how to create. When you pass certain frequency of energy through a bundle of body molecules, it takes a form. And the spark, the spark which brings life. You must have seen that movie Frankenstein or something. They join all the parts and they pass a very high voltage, like Van Helsing. You have seen all that, but that's not the way to do it. Anything that you use, if you're doing it using all the trapped energy, metal and all that, it's not going to happen. It has to be natural, flower of life, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so you guys have destroyed the path of Fibonacci sequence, the flower of life, the way pollination takes place, the way life spreads. You have created all concrete jungles, railway lines. Yeah, I'm going to take your ass very royally. I've been raped all my life. Now fucking I told myself, like, if it's gonna be this, if rape is inevitable, I'm gonna lie back and enjoy rape more than the rapist. So much so that the rapist will have to think, like, is he enjoying, or is he doing a social service? Okay, so the thing is, I live in a village. My place, I don't want it to become like a city with pollution, this and that. Well, you're going to make rules for that. Here's my rule. I'm a part of nature. I am nature. My rules and regulations are of nature. If your rules are greater than mine, convince me. Okay. So, NGT, you guys are fucking assholes, all those food association and all, oh crap, man. You fucking use up all the source of energy more than it's required, then you bloody make food in laboratory, chemicals, bioengineered food. We are natural guys. You're going to pump chemical inside us. I can tell you medicine for diabetes, all your bloody pharmacy company will die. Diabetes, cancer, XY, whatever you tell me. My grandparent, one of my grandfather was, he was a medicine man. The way you define everything, like, defining freedom is not freedom at all. Okay, defined freedom is not freedom at all. And this goes out to all my native friends, native family. The whole world is a family if you see through my eyes. And you've been fucking roasting my family, colonizing, killing them, bloody, just for resources. For what? Just because you can't work with soil. You want to sit in your ACs, you want to bloody drive your shiny cars, eat in a fancy fucking restaurant while some kid bloody dies without a morsel. Think about it. The next time you take a plate of meal, when you fucking order a bloody lobster and pay millions of dollars, or drink a bloody alcohol costing so much, just look at that meal and think, like, somebody is going empty stomach because there's more than you need, just to fucking satisfy your ego, your pride, your artificial intelligence, which makes you human. And you talk about humanity, yeah, your pride is going to kill humanity. That's the thing. Elon Musk, remember this. I'm going to burn your playhouse down. Why? Because of my daughter. 2 or 3 years back, when the Russian-Ukraine war started, she saw all the gruesome images. I don't know what she sees in me. She said, like, Papa, why don't you stop all this? Do you realize how small, insignificant I felt that day? She is unblemished. She is carrying the seed of life. Tree of life is within her. I'm not claiming anything, but I'm a father, and I'll be a father. You guys come, bring it on. But remember this. I won't say anymore. Next 17th is a birthday. And if I see a sad face, if you can understand the spiritual part of it, every loop we evolve. You guys, okay, here's the thing. You're waiting for your messiahs, saviors, prophets, and this and that, isn't it? So if ever all that ever exists is now, when do you think your messiahs came, went back, and they'll come again? I've been in the dark. When it all grew dark, I became darker. And I sank so deep that every dark shade behind me got lighter, and the darkness within me became my sun. Remember that. I will come for you, you won't see me coming. I'll be here, but I'll be inside you. Truth doesn't need a crowd to, you know, go anywhere, just like life. It's lie that needs the crowd, like death. Okay? Remember that. And by voting, by electing and making bloody some king and queens, we contribute to that crowd. Crowd breeds corruption. Corruption is garbage. Garbage produces toxins. And this earth is my mother. I put my mother in the ground in 2020, 23rd December. That changed my vision. Okay, I see my mother everywhere. So don't you fuck with me. So that's it. Your pride will trigger your fail safe. So don't do the obvious. And this is my last lines for this. I'll keep on coming, like, a lot of people said, like, I'll keep on coming at you till you break. Like life, I'll keep on coming till you bloody burn. Like truth, I'll keep on coming till you become truth. Yeah. This crowd, guarantee my daughter will stay unblemished in this crowd. And I'll go my way. The next 17th, this coming 17th is her birthday. I hope she isn't sad that day. I'll try all my best. Okay? But if that happens, the darkness within you, I have seen that darkness. I have lived million lives. I've been there from the beginning. I see you all like energy bodies. You knew the truth, but you hid it from my family. And the thing is, like, it's not just humans are my family. Everything that has that breath of life, that spirit of life, that energy of life is my family. And I'm going to take my family home. Stop me if you can. And my native brothers, talk to the winds, talk to the waters, talk to everything. Talk to everything that you could, that you can. Our ancestors, they're still here. They're still here. I feel it. Okay? It's time to bring everyone home. Take care.